Log on YouTube, you know, to White Click Man, and you're tuned into Click React. I seen something trending, and you know, it's something I'm also very passionate about. In general, you know, football. I've played it my whole life. You know, I've dealt with coaches, and I've dealt with, like, you know, just the system of how one person can hold you down or hold down your career or mess you up, and I kind of see what's going on with Ronaldo as so much disrespect, which is what I think he believes it to be as well. Um, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but Ronaldo had an interview with Piers Morgan, or Morgan Piers, whatever his name is. And he was basically just speaking about his experience and what they've been doing to him at the club. I'm not gonna touch on the main points yet. We're just gonna go through it and, you know, dissect it from there. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, man. Drop a like. It really helps the video get out there, man. Once you see it, please just do it. And let me know what you think about what Ronaldo has been dealing with and what he has done in the same point. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Appreciate it. Peace. Sue!
They listen. They don't.
The Glazers.
The Glazers. They don't care about the club. I mean,
The Glazers he's referring to is like the upper heads in the club, in the organization.
professional sport. As you know, this Manchester is a marketing club. They will get his money from the marketing. The sports, it's they don't really care, in my opinion.
You ever talk to them, the Glazers?
Never,
Never.
never.
Not since you've gone back.
No, they give all the power to the president, the sports directive.
A lot of Manchester United fans are very negative about the Glazers. They think they're taking all the money out and not spending enough.
Of course.
Players.
100%. Because Man U is a rich club. Let's be real. I don't know if they still are, but they were the richest club for the longest time. And you're telling me that Man City could go out and buy all these players, and Man U's still buying players here and there when they feel like and stuff like that? Like, clearly they don't care.
On the infrastructure.
And I get it. Maybe it's the, oh, we don't want to buy an all-star team. We want to have a team that's put together. Cool. But if you have your star player now coming out and saying that, and let me be clear, man, I don't care what nobody thinks. I'm a Man U fan. I don't care if you're a Man U fan and you think differently. Man U is still, the best player on Man U is still Cristiano Ronaldo at his age. For what he did for them last season, at his age, there's nobody better. I don't care what anybody says. In big games, he shows up. This guy is there in all big games. He does his thing. Yes, he might be playing not that great this season because he did lose his child. Whatever things are going on behind the scenes, it happens. But when does this, like, we're talking about arguably, I'm a Messi fan, and we're talking about arguably the greatest player ever. Him, Messi. Like, the things that are going on should not be happening to him. You know what I mean?
Issues you talked about. Do you think the fans are right?
The fans they're always right. I think
100%.
the fans should know the truth. Should know that the players, we want the best for the club. I want the best of the club. This is why I'm coming to Manchester United. This is why I love this club. But you have some things inside the club which don't help to Manchester reach the top level as City, Liverpool, and even now Arsenal, for example.
Wow.
Which
Like,
is
he naming names.
It's hard. In my opinion, it will be hard for Manchester to be in the top of the game the next 2-3 years.
One of your biggest critics has been, and I'm surprised about this,
Me too,
Wayne Rooney.
for example.
That piece of bro. Why is Wayne Rooney talking about anybody, bro? You had your little time. You know, you came over to the MLS. You're retired, bro. I get it. It's your duty to now speak. But bro, you're telling me that this is why you can't trust people, bro. Because I guarantee you he didn't even try to call Ronaldo before he started making comments on him. Not just now, but before. He didn't call this man and be like, yo, what's going on, man? Da 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 da. Like, you're gonna go to the media with this bullshit. You're shit, bro. Shut up.
You played with for many years very successfully and were good friends with him. And yet all this year...
Can't trust nobody.
He's come out and attacked you in the media.
Pierce, I don't understand.
Like he was
You should
perfect.
ask this question to him, but I don't know.
Jealousy.
I don't know why he criticized me so bad, or
Is it jealousy as well?
Ha!
So that you're still playing and still in the Man
probably
United
probably
red shirt?
because he finished
100%.
his career with 30s, so I'm still playing high level. I'm not gonna say that I'm looking better than him, which is true, but
Facts. Rooney looks like a crackhead. I don't know if you guys have seen him lately when he was doing his little coaching for DC, and he looked like a heroin addict, bro. Like that's what he looked like.
but
That is inarguable. I mean, there's no contest.
Yeah.
it's hard to listen that kind of criticize and negative
From
about
somebody you know, bro, like
people
that.
who play with you. For example, Gary Neville as well.
Yeah, I mean, Gary Neville, you blanked him the other day.
Shut
on the pitch.
good.
He was quite upset.
Good.
Because
You're gonna talk, you're not gonna talk shit about me and then see me in person and try to hail me up, bro. You're not gonna do that. The hell out of here.
He's been pretty critical of you as well.
The people can have his own opinion, but they don't really know what's going on. For example, inside the training ground and Carrington area, or even my life, they should listen not only one point of view, they have to listen my point of view as well.
And I feel like the fact that they were even your friends, that should have allowed them to be biased to hearing you out, no? But
because it's easy
yes,
to
hate is hate.
criticize, but if you don't know the old story, it's easy, you know. But it's Pierce, as I say before, it's part
Are they
of,
still friends of yours, or do you
Friends.
have a line where
they are not my friends.
do you feel
Facts.
betrayed when they do that because you played together?
It's easy to criticize. I don't know if they have a job in television that they must criticize to be more famous. I really don't understand.
Do you
But
think they use
Man said they're clout chasers. Don't kill me, Ronaldo.
I think they take advantage of that because they are not stupid. And I really understand, and I have to carry on with my life with criticize or when the people speak good about you. But it's hard when you see people who was in the dressing room with you criticize you in that way.
It must hurt
It's
you.
not good. Yes, I did, but not hard. I'm not gonna be more slim. I'm not gonna sleep bad.
Of course
because
not.
of the criticize.
You rich.
But it's not good to listen that.
Disappointing.
A little bit, yes, disappointing.
Lost your baby son, and now your baby daughter's in hospital,
Exactly.
and you must have been absolutely.
I
beside
spoke with the
yourself.
directive of and the president of Manchester United, and then kind of that didn't believe that.
How are you not gonna believe the man when he said that his daughter is in the hospital, especially after he just went through something traumatic with his family of losing his son?
Something going wrong, which is make me feel bad.
Really?
Yes.
They didn't believe you.
They believe it, but in the same way, they are.
Like they didn't care.
I never is ever gonna change the health of my family for a football. Never.
100% not.
Now or 10 years behind or forward, and it's something that really hurt me because they doubt of my words. That
Who
I
wouldn't be
struggle,
pissed?
especially Bella and Gio. We had 1 week in hospital because the Bella have a big problem, and I didn't go to the preseasons because of that. Because I didn't.
Which a lot of
I wasn't
players do
allowed
when they
to
have
let my
issues,
family
bro.
If something happened.
Like,
Go
bro.
with the preseason because I think it wasn't not fair to left my family for a preseason. This is why I didn't go.
100%. I just wanted to touch on all the points, like just to recap. So Rooney and Gary Neville. Gary Neville was always shit. Like, let's be honest. Like, you got pushed. You know, Gary Neville is no different than Harry Maguire, to be honest. Like, maybe he was better, but you're just the same shit. You guys are garbage. You guys have opportunity because you're white British youths. Like, let's be real. Like, you are shit. You and your brother. The fact is, you're gonna be trying to talk shit about somebody that you played with, that was your friend at a point, and then you're gonna see him in person and expect that he's gonna be okay with it, right? Now, same for Rooney. Rooney's just a bum. Like, I don't know why he's even talking about Ronaldo. None of these guys have a foot to... The only man that could come talk about Ronaldo is Messi or Alex Ferguson. Like, guys that are on his level of anything, bro. He is bigger than that club. Let's be real. He's the greatest football player ever. That's the argument here. So he is bigger than that, but he's a single player, and on a team, he has led them to so many championships, right? He reinvented, or he made relevant again Manchester United at that time. Not Rooney. Rooney did not do that. He was a part of it, but Ronaldo was the focus. All right. He is bigger than that club. Bigger than any other number 7 that's been there. We got to be real. None of those other number 7s were ever considered one of the great top 2, or if not the greatest player of all times. Where is this foolishness coming from? Now, the fact that he's gonna have an issue with staff, and they're gonna say, oh, like they didn't support him when his children, one was sick, he just lost one, is bullshit to me, bro. You guys obviously want problems. He said that they don't care about the club, and I believe him. I mean, the rich get rich. The rich get richer, the poor get poor. Like, they want money, they don't want to spend it. Like, that's business, right? It makes sense. He should be thinking about himself in all of this. So I don't have a problem with this interview because Man U is thinking about themselves, right? The issue with Eric Ten Fool is so funny to me. Against Man City, big rivalry game, you don't put him on the field. Your excuses, oh, this is disrespectful to his legacy. Okay, cool, I agree. Stupid. Big player, big game, you should play. But then the next week, while you guys are winning, you try to put on the greatest player ever as a super sub. You guys are already winning. Or what was the case? Were they losing? Whatever the case is, 2 minutes left. You can't do that to the man. He is bigger than the club, bro. Let's not lie. Right? This is not just some kid coming up. This is Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo we're talking about here. So to me, it's just ridiculous when people say stupid shit like, oh, he has an attitude problem, whatever. He should. Messi, Ronaldo, they should have attitudes. Like, they didn't do all of this. They're not the greatest for no reason, bro. You know what I mean? You guys let me know what you think about this, man. I think it's unfortunate because I really did want him to do good at his age in a Manchester United shirt, but let's be real, man. Other clubs will take this, man. Now, there's no way. Even now, I would start Ronaldo. Maybe I wouldn't make him play the whole game because he is older and we have to manage that. But I think Erik Ten Hag is one of the worst coaches ever. Like, we have to be honest. Mourinho did say it before, bro. You guys don't realize how much of an accomplishment it was when he finished. Was it second that we finished that year or whatever the case was? Because of all the foolishness that happens behind the scenes. And here is Ronaldo giving light on that. Because this is bullshit. The best player in the world. He's still amazing, bro. Look at his season that just passed. Have him on the bench. Think you're going to put him on 2 minutes. Like, come on, bro. Who is Eric to do that? If you were Ferguson, I would get it. But you're nobody, brother. You can't do that to him. You know what I'm saying? Guys, appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and let me know what you think, man. See ya.